The 2026 Royal Enfield Fury 175 has finally arrived, and it's redefining what a small-engine motorcycle can do. Royal Enfield has taken the spirit of its classic machines and packed it into a lighter, meaner, and more thrilling ride. The Fury 175 isn't just another bike, it's a symbol of pure attitude and raw emotion. Design and style, born to stand out. One look at the new Fury 175 and you know it's special. The bold fuel tank, round LED headlamp, and sculpted seat bring back that old-school Enfield charm with a modern twist. Its dual-tone paint scheme, chunky tires, and matte black finishes scream power and personality. This isn't a commuter, it's a statement on two wheels. Performance. Small engine, big Fury. Underneath the retro skin lies a 175 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, tuned for crisp throttle response and unmatched low-end torque. It delivers the kind of punch that makes every ride feel alive. The 5-speed gearbox, fuel injection system, and refined exhaust note give it a powerful heartbeat. Whether in the city or on open highways, the Fury 175 makes every mile unforgettable. Comfort and ride. The bike features telescopic front forks, gas-charged rear shocks, and a low seat height, making it comfortable for all riders. The riding position feels natural, upright, confident, and commanding. And with disc brakes on both ends and ABS, it's safer than ever to unleash your Fury. Price and verdict. Expected to be priced around $1,900 to $2,000, the 2026 Royal Enfield Fury 175 could become the most exciting budget motorcycle of the decade. It combines retro design, modern tech, and true Enfield DNA, all in a compact powerhouse. Outro. The Royal Enfield Fury 175 proves one thing: you don't need a big engine to make a big impact. It's bold, beautiful, and born to rule the streets. The legend of Royal Enfield just got a younger, faster heart, and T.